स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है कि आपने फूड प्रोडक्शन के बारे में आप क्या क्या जानते हैं। तो इस समय जो हमारा सबसे पहला टॉपिक इसमें जो आता है फूड प्रोडक्शन में, वो आता है एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल। तो एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स होती क्या है? एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स आर अ सेट ऑफ स्किल्स एंड बिहेवियर दैट आर नेसेसरी फॉर एवरी job. Employability skills are sometimes called soft skills also. So employability skills can be defined as those soft skills which employer look for in a potential employees. These skills equip the employee to carry out their roles to the best of their ability and client satisfaction. For example, the ability to explain what do you mean in a clear and concise way through written and spoken means helps to build a better relationship with the client or the customer. Similarly, handling stress that comes with deadlines for finishing work and ensuring that you meet the deadlines can be done through effective self-management trainings. It can also be done by working well with other people from different disciplines, backgrounds, and expertise to accomplish a task or a goal. In today's digital age, employers expect that the employee should be able to make use of elementary functions of information and communication technology to retrieve, assess, store, produce, present, and exchange information in collaborative networks via the internet. Students need to develop entrepreneurial skills so that they can develop necessary knowledge and skills to start their own business, thus becoming job creator rather than job seeker. Potential employees need to develop green skills, which are the technical skills, knowledge, value, and attitudes needed in the workforce to develop and support sustainable social, economic, and environmental outcome in business, industry, and the community. Thus, as a student, you are expected to acquire a range of skills so that you can meet the skills demand of the organization that you would work for, or to set up and run your own business. ना एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल का जो सबसे मेन टॉपिक आता है वो आता है हमारी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, यानी कि हम कैसे अपने आप दूसरों से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. सो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आर दोज स्किल्स विच आर नीडेड टू स्पीक एंड राइट प्रॉपरली. अ पर्सन हु इज एबल टू स्पीक अप्रोप्रिएटली while maintaining eye contact with the audience, use varied vocabulary and articulate speech to suit the need of the audience is generally said to be an effective speaker. Similarly, an effective writer should be able to use written words in a various style and techniques to communicate his or her message and ideas to the reader. One should have the ability to listen carefully and write and speak clearly in any situation. Therefore, good reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills are essential for effective communication. Now let's see the meaning of communication, from where the word communication is come from. Communication word is come from the Latin word communicare, meaning to share. हम आज के ज़माने में बात करते हैं, लोगों से सुनते भी हैं कि अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन हमेशा, लेकिन everyone needs it and wants it. But what exactly is communication is? है क्या असली में communication? So communication is the sharing of information between two or more individual or within a group to reach a common understanding. Communication है information शेयर करना दो या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों में. इसको जानने के लिए चलिए हम एक एग्जाम्पल भी देखते हैं. यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, द बॉय इज आस्किंग वेयर आर यू गोइंग. द इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन बाय द पर्सन आई एम गोइंग होम. देन अगेन इट इज रिसीविंग बाय द person who is asked. So now, importance of communication. Your ability to communicate clearly and share thoughts, feelings and ideas will help you in all your relationships. For example, you can inform about something or you can also influence others through communication. Communication skills are needed to inform, influence, express feelings. So सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं inform. You may be required to give facts or information to someone. For example, communicating the timetable of an exam to a friend. You were informing, you were telling her that this is an exam schedule. So that is also you were doing the communication. Influence. You may be required to influence or change someone's in an indirect but usually important way. For example, negotiating with a shopkeeper to reduce the price. हम शॉपिंग करने जाते हैं, हम इंडियंस हैं, तो ये हमारे अंदर एक खूबी है कि हम नेगोशिएशन करते हैं शॉपकीपर से, हम करते हैं कि ये नहीं, इतना करेंगे. सो दैट another one is helping a friend to overcome stress due to exam or any other reason. हम अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपने ब्रदर सिस्टर को, किसी को भी स्ट्रेस से बाहर निकालने में भी हेल्प करते हैं. नाउ सेकेंड इज एक्सप्रेसिंग फीलिंग. हमें अपनी फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस करनी आनी चाहिए. टॉकिंग अबाउट योर फीलिंग्स इज़ अ हेल्दी वे टू एक्सप्रेस देम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शेयरिंग योर एक्साइटमेंट अबाउट डूइंग वेल इन योर एग्जाम्स और शेयरिंग योर फीलिंग विद योर पेरेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स. तो बेटा इसके बाद हम नया इसी को आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे. इसी चैप्टर को हम जानेंगे कम्युनिकेशन की और इसके बारे में डिटेल्स में. टिल नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू द फ्यू क्वेश्चंस टू डू इट प्रॉपरली इन योर नोटबुक with the help of this video. Thank you class.